Yes, guys, this digital travel planner makes $2,717 a month, guys, selling 177 units of these. Guys, this is a fantastic digital download product. So, guys, if you are looking for new digital download niches, looking for new areas to get into to sell those digital downloads for some fantastic passive income, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get notified of any new videos that I produce. And without further ado, guys, let's check this one out, guys. Now, look, guys, this is a fantastic product. And let's look a little bit deeper into this. I love this one. This travel planners is a fantastic niche to get into. Let's look at this, guys. Now, let's go to view it on Etsy and let's just check this one out a little bit more. Now, look at it. It's a spreadsheet, guys. It's a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Very simple to do. And literally what it is when you're planning your travel, you're going to, like, for example, here, look, you got an image of Paris, France. You want to go out there, you got a budget and you want to know what you want to spend it on. You got travelers, you got your adults, you got your children, you got whoever's going to go away. You need to start planning exactly what it is, how much you're going to spend. And look, everyone's looking at these right now. Everyone's looking at ways to actually save money, make sure they don't overspend. And so travel planners are becoming more and more popular, guys. And this is a fantastic one. Now, this one sells a hell of a lot, guys. And it's a really good trend to get into. Now, why is this selling so well? Now, look, it's simple, but yet effective, guys. Simple, but effective. If we just look at it, it's a budget planner. People are trying to budget all the time. But not only that, it's a kind of bundle, right? People love their kind of digital download bundles these days. And it's not just about having one thing, one template. It's about putting things together. So I'll show you what I mean. Now look at this. It gives you a travel overview, expense tracker, a packing list, a checklist, a travel itinerary, research, reservations. It does the whole thing, guys. And this is what people want, because look, when you're traveling, you don't just want like a budget spreadsheet. You want to be able to have an itinerary and be able to have something where you can edit it. And this is so important, guys, these days. And look, it goes even further. It shows you what these sheets, Google Sheets, look like. Look, they've got a fantastic packing list there. Budget and expensive tracker, the checklist. These look really good. Quite simple to use, though. And it looks like it's got calculations. It can calculate things for you. What's really nice about it, and like I said, you can very quickly produce something like this. Look, what's nice about digital downloads is that it's not rocket science, You can learn about how to do it. Now, by looking at things that work, and I believe that it's very important to learn from what works, but obviously to produce your own style, your own unique twist to it, your own style, and that works for you. You can look and see what works here, and literally it's about what they have in the column. And so, for example, basic terms this is an expenses tracker that I see on screen. You got your date, category, item description, budget, actual amount, and so on. You can produce something similar to that. You got your checklist, departure day, before the departure day, 1 week before the departure day. You can see that it works, guys. You got your daily travel itinerary, what you're going to do on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. They're not very difficult, really. You got your packing list. It's not a hard thing. And then you got your, the destination, where you're going to do, and so forth. Guys, these things can be produced quite easily using Google Sheets. You can even get templates, like I always say, like something from, CANVA, which also has some good ideas where you can look at templates that you can get. And, as you know, probably CANVA's fantastic. But essentially, when I analyze something, I use something called EVERBEE. And EVERBEE, this SEO software, is fantastic. It allows me to be able to find those great niches all the time. And like I said, look, the reason why this is so good, I'll tell you why this is so good, and it is good. It's been listing this is a new listing, 3-month listing, guys. It's only listed for 3 months, and it's already making $2,717 a month, right? That's fantastic. That's a great passive income. And I'm gonna go a little bit more into this, okay? But let's just very quickly just hit back and see this. So look, the keywords are here: travel planner, Google Sheets, travel budget spreadsheet, itinerary, vacation planner, editable, right? obviously, key being it needs to be editable for whatever holiday that you're planning to do. You got digital file, PDF, and I keep saying it's very important to look at these reviews. Not only is it interesting to see how well it sells, which it does, but also what people are saying. And look, you can tell what people are saying. And it also gives you an idea as how maybe you could improve the product. Now imagine you got something that sells really well, and yet it also has room for improvement. Now, I'll tell you what I mean. Look at this review down here, the second one. It says, my favorite sheet has to be the travel research one. It's what makes this template a cut above the rest. In my opinion, that and the intuitive automation of the sheets. Other templates either don't have a research sheet or it's limited to one destination, which is obviously not convenient. So look, it's already, by looking and reading the reviews, it gives you an idea of what people want. It's like market research, what people want, what they're looking for. So what this person is selling works really well. And in addition, they've got this kind of research element to it, which also the customers really love, you know? So, you know, this is very interesting. This is how you make a product even better. But essentially, look, this works. Travel planners work, right? It's showing us this. Now let's just go to the main, if you like, the search for travel planner. Now, obviously, there are many types of travel planners, editable travel planners. And, you know, what you want to do is the one that I saw was this one. So I'm just going to look across it, you know. They sell that bundle for 15 USD, for $15, 177 sales. The reviews are there. It's been listed. It's only been up there for 3 months. This is amazing. And their actual shop has been there for longer. So their shop is, you know, a little bit more established, right? But the actual listing is quite new, which is nice to see. Now they've got an SEO score, which is good. That means their visibility is good. They're seen, they're found, and they have a conversion rate of 3%, which is okay, right? So, you know, it's a decent, you know, with all of this, it still shows you there's room for improvement, by the way. So not only can you improve on these sales, yeah, but you can make it, you know, you can make it even better, which is amazing. So it's not only is it a good niche, but you can make it even better, guys. Now, I'm going to look a little bit into this, like in terms of the search volumes and you know, what are people looking for with this, and how much is the volume for a product like this, right? Now, these are the tags underneath, the keyword tags, which this person has used a few of these in their main description, which obviously is how they're found. Now, look at this. The reason why it works as well is because they bundle things together, as I said. So these are the type of volume numbers that people are looking for on a monthly basis. So a big one that people are looking for is, well, look at Holiday Organizer, for example, right? Look at Holiday Organizer. The people that search on Etsy for Holiday Organizer are approximately 728 people per month. And you can see, guys, that actually this is a growing number. Look at the trend. It's growing, guys. Okay, which tells you if you have something like this tag in the description, you have this wording, then you are likely to be seen for this keyword. Now, what's interesting is not only has this person uses a variety of keywords so that they're found in different ways. So you got travel itinerary, travel template. This is 562 volume, 311. Holiday Organizer, which is quite a good number. Travel Planner, 1013. And look, again, this is going up. This has been trending as well. So this is a growing number. And this is what you want to see. You want to be able to see what is actually growing, what is becoming more popular, because you want to actually sort of almost like jump on that wave. So it's a really good way of analyzing a product. Now, there are other things that are also you know, are good to use. You know, other ones, trip planning as well, and other ones. It's got packing checklist. So what you do is you obviously want to get as much as you can and a lot of eyes on your product, as many eyes as you can. And the reason why people do bundles is that so they can get a lot of eyes on their product, which is a smart way of doing it. But look, you want to look and see of the products that work, and this one works. I like to show you products that actually are working, not are failing. So obviously this is a product that is working and it's selling really well. So this is how we get ideas and tips. And using EVERBEE as a software is good because you get to analyze and know what tags are trending as well. Now, once we've studied that, then obviously we know what it is that we kind of need to do if we're going to this niche. Now, like I said, there's room for improvement anyway as well. But let's just go back for a second. All right, let's just get back to the search volume. Let's say I've typed in travel planner. Yeah, travel planner. Now this has a results. It brings me up a results of 32,000. It's probably slightly above the kind of search results that I would like. But don't forget, this will probably have a few other bits included in it. Other things that sometimes find their way in the search. So, you know, slightly above what I really like for. I really like to look at the 20K, but I still believe that this is a good niche to get into and still something that you can rank for. Because don't forget, guys, as well, what you want to try and do is you want to rank. Because look, the ones that get seen on the first page are the ones that are going to sell the most ultimately. Okay, now you can get up on the first page through advertising. But also I think it's a really nice way to try and get up there organically, and you can do that as well by, like I said, you know, you look and see what the organic ones are doing, the good organic ones. And from what I can see, there are the organic ones, for example, try and do nice bundles, whether it be a planner, budget tracker, and itinerary. They like to put it all in one, and this is what people are liking to buy mostly. So guys, travel planner is a fantastic little niche to get into. And I believe it's one that if you do it right, you can get some fantastic sales and really good passive income, guys. So guys, if you do like videos on niches, digital download, digital product niches, guys, new ones, trending ones, ones that are doing really well, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out the 2 videos up at the top that will be coming soon. And I've also got a playlist with lots and lots of videos, guys, on Etsy and how to and digital downloads as well. Guys, take care. See you on the next one.